You see me, I sold weed, dope, all that. Or shoot the main nigga out your clique and watch the rest fall back. I skipped school without a hall pad. And from a city where them cockers get behind you, we gon' haul ass. I bust 30, but the nigga kept running.
I'm telling you, boy, I got them boys, dog. I'm trying to tell you.
Motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.
The beat, and I still
see you,
got
bro.
love for the streets.
I
It's
see you. Yo, what up, Tudo gang? Tudo Dre checking back in. Today I'm up here messing with my brother Banshee. For the finish is, gotta change his tie rod out real quick. Tie rod in. Got him another rod because his rod messed up. Then I'm finna go ahead and knock this out for him. Then I'm gonna do my bike. Cause we ride Christmas. I'm trying to get out Christmas ready, you feel me? The box almost done, so I'm trying to be in the box Christmas Day, ride the bench all day, pull the box out at night, you know what I'm saying? But yo, just keep up with me. You'll see. Basically got to take that rod loose, take it off from right there, take that one loose, put the new one on. So I'm finna do that and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah, so I got the old one off. As you can see, it's a little bent, a little lopsided, just a little bit, like right here in this area. You see, if you can look at it, you can see it's a little bent, bending up a little bit. So that's why the new tie rod I had got didn't work in there. So I got the other one. I'm looking for it now. I'm lost right now. Where did I put it? I don't know where I put it just that quick. I just moved around, but it's on. Got the tie rod right there. I just need the old one. Oh well. I'm gonna figure it out where I put it at and get back to y'all. So my sound cut out on me, but basically right here, I just reran a 0 gauge wire to my alternator so that I can get more power to my batteries in the back of my car.
I bust 30, but the nigga kept running. I was driving from the scene, but I swear I kept dumping. I was shot out like 50, but I always been 100. Show love to my people, even nothing was a junkie. And money, it never been a problem. Even if I got a word for it, either rob it.
Let me go back here.
Getting Bay a little tune up. Getting together. Only other person mess with it, you know what time it is. Getting that timing and stuff right on here. Linemen that mess with music, they doing this. You're trying to be Christmas ready. You know. Yeah, tighten down. Tighten the distributor bolt down so that bitch won't move no more. Tudo Dre back again. You know what I'm saying? Today we're going ahead, we're going to build this dirt bike back together. I've been working on it. I put the motor back on. It was just a frame. I put the motor back on it. The CR250. You know what I'm saying? Putting it back on. Get it together. I'm finna tighten the head up. I just put the head on. Finna tighten the head up. Got to tighten everything else up. Waiting for a spark plug. Before I get the spark plug and stuff like that, I'm finna clean this carburetor out. Carburetor. Dirty, just been sitting. You know what I'm saying? We've been having bikes, we just been sitting on them, playing around, but I'm finna get them back together now. So, nigga, Christmas right around the corner, so we trying to be out there bike like bye. You already know. You know, so yeah, I'm tightening up the head now. You know what I'm saying? Getting all these bolts tight. So we can go ahead and get us a little test run in. Well, I'm gonna clean the carburetor first before I fire it up. And then once I clean the carburetor, then I'll fire it up and see what it do. Because you know I'm gonna make it do what it do. And it means necessary. Two-door Dre gonna get it done. You already know. You know what I'm saying? So just stick tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get it together. So yeah, we done got the bike all back together, running, done crunk up, separate crank, we done got them crunk, so we finna go ahead, get her together. I'm finna throw all her plastic suspenders and stuff back on, and she gonna look like somebody, so stay tuned.
Every time a bad bitch speak on the topic, you did that. These niggas trying to get a name, I done did that. Wherever nigga try me, that's why I'ma spit his wig at. 17 with the prison, then the boss. Nigga tried to fight my dog, so I hit him with a lock. All talk, all beef over computers. 9 times out of 10, if I see you, I'ma do you. Fuck this shit out you, act like I never knew you. Trying to get it every day, I'm taking chances like school. Mouth full of gold, I'm a lost soul. If I ran out of dough, I went and bought more. Bitch, what? Nigga don't play no game no more. Nigga be telling bad like they changed the code. Rob who, take what? Not me, I don't really need.
I got Cuz right. He ready. Bay back together all the way for him. His bay back together all the way. You already know. Another satisfied customer. Cuz, how do you? I did you right, ain't it?
All the time.
Trying to tell you.
Like, what they got to do?
Just finished building them. Just got plugs, biker. We got everything back together. Cuz ready. Watch your foul, watch your foul. This nigga like him not kick a bike. There you go. There you go. Took him too many kicks cause the nigga act like he scared of that bitch. Act like you scared to kick him. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Try to show out for your brother like you got the lease on the rope, bitch. Don't do that. That's some shit he don't need to do. His ass gonna be by himself bullshit, bitch. Your ass gonna get that same treatment you had before. Ride to the sun. Built by me. Oh yeah, two-door Dre getting it in.
Need a pistol, cause God got me shit. Niggas freeze up till they get gangsta. Talk all that fly shit till a nigga straight stink.